Hi, I've been a recruiter for years, and I'll be honest, I don't see most of the resumes that come in. Not because I don't want to, but because AI screens them before I even get the chance. If you've been ghosted after applying, chances are your resumes never reached a real person. Here's the truth from inside. When I first started recruiting, I thought I'd be reading hundreds of resumes a day. But very quickly, I learned we rely on ATS filters, applicant tracking system. Why? Because we sometimes get approximately 500 plus applications for one role, and there's no way to read all of them manually. I once missed a perfect candidate because their resume didn't have the word Power BI, even though they clearly had the skills. The system filtered them out. I didn't even know they existed until they emailed me directly. Now, why does AI does the first screening? It's not because we recruiters are lazy. It's because we use tech to help us move faster and smarter. The AI looks for specific keywords, job title, experience level, formatting. If your resume doesn't match the job exactly, even if you're fully qualified, it gets skipped. So, let me give you 3 quick recruiter approved tips to beat the bots. Mirror the job description. Use the exact language in your resume. If the job says Salesforce CRM, don't say customer systems. Use their words. Second, keep it simple. No fancy formatting, no tables, no columns. AI prefers plain text. Third, tailor your resume for every application. One size fits all equal to one size gets filtered out. So make sure that you're applying to the specific job. I always tell candidates to read the job description thoroughly and then tailor your CV as per the job description. I do understand that it's quite difficult and time consuming to create a specific CV for each and every job that you're applying, but trust me, it will get you to the job faster. Because if you have one CV that fits for all the jobs that you're applying for, chances are you'll be filtered out by AI faster. Now let's discuss what not to do. Using Canva or overly designed resumes, absolute no-no. Leaving off industry-specific keywords, whichever industry you are targeting, they have got certain keywords. So you have to make sure that those keywords are in your CV, because then your chances of getting shortlisted will be faster. Submitting PDFs with unreadable fonts, writing responsibilities instead of achievements. If the AI can't read it, the recruiter can't either. It won't get to the recruiter. AI is the gatekeeper. Recruiters still make the final call. But we only see what gets through the filters. So if you want real humans reviewing your resume, you've got to write for the algorithm first, then impress the person behind it. If you want your resume to actually get read, then subscribe, because I'll be sharing more recruiter-backed AI hacks, real tools, and strategies to get you hired faster.